In this video, an assembly model of a vertical drop lift is used to demonstrate how component name management has been improved. Using the Assembly Analyzer command, the complete list of assembly components is displayed, along with their respective quantities. There are 40 instances of the local component DIN 934-M16. While 76 instances of the part DIN 934-M16 exist as external reference components. In the Other document window, the subassembly model is loaded and checked using the Assembly Analyzer before being imported into the main assembly. There are 72 instances of the nut as a local component. When importing the subassembly as an external reference component, the duplicated name resolution dialog box is displayed. It warns that the model includes components with the same name and allows you to either rename the component or share the local version. The auto-rename settings controlling the names proposed by the application can be configured in the options. The Show New and Show Reference buttons can be used to alternately isolate the reference component and the one with a duplicated name, providing visual support. For the local component, the Share All option allows you to share the reference component's name across all instances. For the other part, an external reference component with the same name already exists, so it must be renamed. The renaming report appears at the end of the process and displays all related information. After rebuilding the model, the Assembly Analyzer displays a total of 112 instances of the local component, including both the existing ones and those imported with the subassembly. Wishing to resolve the conflict and permanently align all instances of the local component, it can be replaced with the existing external reference component in the model. Set the subassembly containing the local nut component as current. By launching the Replace command, the local component and all its copies can be replaced at once. Select the document file of the external reference component and confirm. In the Assembly Analyzer, all copies of the local assembly component have been replaced by the external reference component, which now shows a total of 188 instances.